Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download the Bigo Live application on your mobile device. Bigo Live is a video streaming platform where you can live stream your life and live interact with other users online. It is free to download, but it contains in-app purchase. It is available both for Android and iOS users from Google Play Store and App Store. It has now over 200 million users around the world who broadcast their lives, gain fans, receive gifts, and earn money. Then go and tap on search bar and search for Bigo Live. Once you find the relevant results, go and tap on install in order to install it on your mobile device. Now wait for some time till it downloads. Bigo has various features that makes it very popular among the apps. Bigo Live provides a platform where you can live stream amazing moments like singing, dancing, traveling, and more. From here, you can also see all kinds of videos including food, sceneries, dancing, and comedy uploaded by millions of talented broadcasters. Also, it will enable you to create or join a voice chat room where you can play games, sing karaoke together. You may also receive or give virtual gifts like roses, angels, supercars, luxury cruises, and more. The best part is that the gift can be redeemed for real cash. So, users can purchase bin packages of different price to give to their favorite broadcasters. All the gifts can be cashed out for real world money. So nearly all the video streaming apps has content concerns, and Bigo Live is not an exception. This app is restricted to the users at least 17 years old. Besides content concerns, other potential danger is that Bigo Live requires user to submit personal information such as name, gender, and location. Now once you have downloaded the application on your mobile device, tap on it to open. Now once you land onto an interface like this, go to the left bottom corner and tap onto the profile icon. On this page, you'll get to see the sign in option here. Tap on it in order to create a new account. In order to get started, you'll have to enter your phone number here, or if you have an existing account like Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, or other apps, then you can directly log in from here. Now once you have entered your phone number, go and tap on next. By tapping on it, you land onto the login page. Now go to the top right corner of your screen and tap on sign up option. You'll be able to see your phone number here. Now in order to verify your phone number, go and tap on send. Now the Bigo sends a verification code to your mobile number. And once it is verified, you will have to now create a password for your Bigo account. Once you are done, go and tap on sign up. Now on this page, you can customize your profile by entering your username. Also, you can change your profile picture by tapping onto this camera icon. You can choose a gender for yourself, then tap on next. A pop-up will show up on your screen. In order to confirm the changes, tap on confirm. And from here, you can start following top trending broadcasters of Bigo Live. You can set a location for yourself, or you can just ignore it. And now you will have successfully created a Bigo Live account for yourself. So this is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.